Alright YouTube, so this is the stereo Mosfet amplifier, and there was a problem with this input selector. As you can see that my connection is here too, and all the input connection from this back side input, RC input, and the front USB kit input all are connected here, and you can select by pressing this knob. But the problem was with this, it was making some noise when I was trying to select him, and also there was a problem in the switches, so that one speaker was working and another was stuck, and when you press it a few more like that, then another was working too, or like that. There was some dust in the switches, but that's why I have opened it. But the switches looks good, and I already bought one. This is the one. You can see I didn't open the packet yet, but one thing I'm gonna try that by putting some cleaner. And so this is the dust cleaner in it. And then press this now for a few minutes. We can use a thinner too. So that's it. Now let's check it again. So that's it. Now you can see there is no noise coming from the speakers when pressing the buttons, and also there is no problem in the speaker connections. Both speakers are working now. So that's it. That's how you can fix this input selection switch when it gets dirty. And also I just use a dust cleaner, but also you can use a thinner. So that's it.